Hello. So here there is another good news that I think we should research together. So here is a CNBC news article and it's about how Palantir is actually I want to know how to pronounce this word.
Palantir.
Palantir. How Palantir is helping hospital tasks that used to require spreadsheets and whiteboards. And it's a very long, great article. I will put the link in the description. So you can see that it's a very long one, but it's a great quality of article. So maybe I will just focus on those major important parts. Okay, the key points here. The Palantir for hospital operation account for 10% of the enterprise software company's revenue in the US. The Cleveland Clinic and early child partner explain how the platform help it anticipate and manage a surge of emergency room patients. At Tampa General, the software has become popular among nurse leaders for its ability to predict and track patient inflows and outflow. So here you can see that more and more medical professionals now rely on the Palantir. It is a great thing for us because if you are my friends, you know that I always tell you that Palantir will be a global health software for all advanced countries when they need to install some medical operating system. Palantir will be their first choice. UK now use it, and then more and more US hospital will also use it. So it's a great thing. Okay, so I really believe that. Here you can see that hospital fee system with Palantir to hospital operation. Okay, you can see that the interface is so easy to understand to use. It is great. It is a very good software. Okay, so people, please buy more Palantir stock, and then you will have great early retirement. Trust me.